Hey everyone, Ricky here from Ricky's Tech Talk. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic Edition. Just on the back, it mentions it's LTE supported, it has Bluetooth technology, Wi-Fi and GPS. So now let's get it unboxed. Once you cut the tape, you can lift the lid up and it reveals your paperwork box on top. So this is going to have all of your paperwork and your cable. So let's just set that to the side. Has Samsung on it. And you can see the watch for the first time. Inside your box, as I mentioned, you'll get your paperwork. So you're going to get a warranty information and a quick start guide. But don't worry, I'll go through everything. And as I mentioned, you've got a USB-A to a wireless charging pad that will wirelessly charge your watch. So just a note, this won't charge an Apple Watch and an Apple Watch charger won't charge yours. They are different, but it works in a similar way. And then finally, we have the Samsung watch itself. So a circular design, a more traditional design to a watch face than we see with the Apple Watch, which is square design and other smart watches. I like the circular design. It looks very professional and it feels nice in hand too. So let's place that down and bring in my phone now, and let's pair it up with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. If you haven't already, make sure to go and check out all of my videos that I've made on this great device. So with our watch powering on, there are two buttons down the right hand side, and you press the top button and this will power your watch on, and it begin to sort of load up, and then we can go into the setup process. I really like the twist motion, and this is how you control your watch and navigate through. So you can either do it by touch or use this twist motion on the actual clock face, which I really like. It's a very intuitive way and very different than what we see in other watches. So moving into the setup process, we have to select our language. We're going to go English, United Kingdom. You have to confirm this. So tap to continue. Then we're going to select our region, United Kingdom, and you are asked to reset. And as I showed there, you can use the scroll feature to scroll through, and it's just going to reset. Once reset, you'll get a pop-up window, and then you're going to need to allow locations, and it's going to move into Samsung wearables, and it will go through the setup process now on your phone. So there's a code on here that we need to then confirm on the watch. So yes, that all matches up. So you hit confirm and then tick on the watch. And that means it can pair together. And as you can see, then it starts to sync through and moves through the setup process. So once done, tap start. We're going to swipe down to see the quick panel. So this is quick options that you can change. You swipe up from the bottom to see your watch face. On your watch face, you swipe up again to see your apps. And it shows you all of your applications, and you can swipe down to see your watch face again. Swipe left to right to view your notifications. You can tap on these and it will show you tips, this section will. You can tap across to go back, and you can tap from the right to the left side to see your watch face again. From your watch face, swipe right to left to see tiles. These are large tiles with loads of information, and this is where you can use the twist feature to turn around or press buttons if you want. So don't miss a thing. It's just talking about notifications, and the setup is now done really. So let's just share some more information about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic Edition. And as I show, first of all, is this quick motion of using that twist option on your watch face, so you can twist around and see everything you need at a quick glance, which I think is really important and such an intuitive way of using your watch. So it saves leaving fingerprints on your watch if you want to, or you can swipe around like this, making it easy. But let's discover more. I'm very fortunate to have the 4G model thanks to Vodafone UK. It comes in two sizes with the 4G model, or you could choose the Bluetooth model where you need your phone with you all the time. But with a 4G option, you get either a 46mm design or a 42mm design, and it comes in black or silver, so you can choose which you prefer. You do have a crisp, clean display thanks to the Super AMOLED display from Samsung, which is 450 by 450 in resolution, offers 16 million colours and works well in bright sunlight and even the darkest of nights too. It utilises the Wear OS powered by Samsung, When coming to the processor, it has a CPU speed of 1.18 GHz. It's a dual-core processor. Has 1.5 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of storage on there, which you can change and adjust with your watch, and no expandable storage. Has a range of sensors, including accelerometer, barometer, gyro sensor, plus so many more, which I don't want to embarrass myself by trying to say. With all those sensors, you do need a battery that's going to power your watch throughout the day and also through the night, and then even including the next day ahead. The battery inside this watch is 361 millionth hour battery, and it will last typically for 40 hours, and we'll be testing it out, and I'll be sharing my results throughout my social media pages as I share images and other videos. So make sure to go and check that out. And just to let you know, I will be bringing a review after testing this watch, and I'll be really comparing it with other watches, and then also showing how well it's integrated with my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So make sure to click the like button and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to check out my latest videos, check these out here. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe by clicking this face right here.